I would like to call Srija and Lakshmi to do the today's spoken English conversation. It will help all of us. Please, Srija and Lakshmi, come.
Good morning everyone. Today is English conversation. This spoken English conversation will improve our spoken English between two friends about how to improve English. My name is Srija.
My name is Lakshmi.
Hi Lakshmi.
Hello Srija, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I have become serious about learning better English. From today I will not speak Kannada with you.
Why?
Because I want to practice spoken English.
It's a good proposition. I agree.
We can develop our reading and writing habits.
But how did we that